Alright, this is pretty much what you get. Your power adapter, the actual wall mount, Cat 5 cable, power, zip ties, Velcro, books, more power adapters for the power, HDMI connection, HDMI, and this one is another power for the actual adapter. And here's the box itself. It has two eyes. Here's the CTP18 and the Yealink. Now this one has shutters right here to close it, main and dual speakers, we got here the actual power cord, the hub controller, the line in, line out, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, internet, and lock. And of course, underneath of it, we got the dual connections here that mount to the wall or to a TV. And here's very important. This is where you're gonna need to connect your keyboard and mouse when it accesses this stuff. All right. Controllers. We're gonna control this with the CTP18. So you got to remove this. That's a must. Oh, you just broke it.
No, so the camera
that's
moves.
it. That's it.
Does the other one have this?
It's broken. No, it doesn't.
Okay. No, I'm just asking.
This is like rubber base.
Mm-hmm.
The speakers are different from the other one.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to try it out before we
See, this one is an internet connection. HDMI you're going to need to display to set it up, and then the power. No PoE on the cable. I'm going to put in an injector, power over Ethernet injector. This one goes to the power and the internet in, yeah, and then power that one. This is a problem we ran into. See how it tells you the language you have to set up? Yeah. You need to connect the mouse to this system. But before that, don't start that. You need to set this thing up first. Okay. All right? So that needs to be set up because that's going to give you a number, an IP, an ID number to actually connect to there. Set up the account. So go ahead and set up English. Hit the check. And then here, sign in. And I'm going to give you the code and everything. You need to have a rooms key. Yeah. So it costs a little difference, a different license. You need the mouse because this one couldn't find it. Okay, now navigate the same way we just did right now. English. And then we're going to have to sign in with the same IDs that we have. All right, so let's do that. Signed in here. This one's set up already. We're gonna come to this one right here. And this one, it says all done already. That one, just to let you know, that one could work by itself without this item, but that's the device, right? Okay. Yeah. You don't need that device at all.
So that's...
You're gonna hit search, and then see how it says it's found a device, 830? Hit the 830. And in here, it's gonna give you a PIN number. On that PIN number, you got to put it in there, and that's a touch screen. That one right here, in the particular, this one right here, this model here that he set up, on every corner you're going to see the names of them, all right? So we're going to look for that one, and because it's in the same network, it should find it. So go ahead and
settings or meet now.
Meet now, and then once you look for that name, there it is. Found it automatically, and hit start meeting. And on that one, we have to set. And this guy doesn't have a mouse. This unit is calling that unit in. There it is. Oh, we're gonna have to mute one. Let me. There. Oh. Okay. All right. So we got that unit. The 830 and the 820. If you can see, that's the 830. So this is the 830, and we're looking at ourselves here.
Both of them are muted.
Not that one. One of them. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It took a while for it. And if I move on this side, 1, 2, 3. Does it do the wide lens? Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it does.
It does.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
So
Oh, so now it's capturing. If you notice, look at the corner. Now it's widening up the lens, even though we're separated.
yeah.
I can see that. Tracking here. Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Yeah, I think you have to be far away from it. Oh, that one tracked. That one's over there. Yeah. But this one right here. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. It's actually moving to us now. Now that David's moving, it's actually moving. Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Test. And I think it has a facial recognition. That's what it does. So you don't have to have a mask. I think it eye recognition or face or mouth. I'm not sure, but it's supposed to be tracking on that. Go here. Then we go to device settings. Then we go to controls. Controls. Oh, look at that. You could control the camera from here.
Yeah.
Oh, that is crazy. Look at that. My is in there. Okay, this is where you could get all the stuff. Time, dates, input, Wi-Fi, debug. The password is, you can reboot the system too.
Oh, got it.
Get all the settings. Find others, and that's where you actually set up the camera.
So it does have auto framing on that one as well.
Can you move around? Try it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, you're right. Auto framing.